The ants go matching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go matching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants. Hey, why we even marching, Sergeant?
I don't know.
How about we go to that picnic blanket that people been spreading rumors about?
Okay. What's a picnic?
A picnic is that has a blanket that has mounds and mounds and mounds of food.
I'm in.
But it will be a very dangerous journey.
I'm in.
You may die.
I'm in.
Okay, let's go. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Here we are, the glorious mountains. Doom, 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 doom. Does that look like a lizard to you?
Yeah, probably because it is.
Let's run! We finally reached the picnic.
Oh my god!
Now let's eat some food. Yum 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 yum. Doom, doom, doom. Lizard.
KFC?
Can I have some?
Here is some KFC.
No, I would like more.
Nothing.